In light of the impact of COVID-19, PECO's first priority is the safety of our customers and staff. Here's how we've updated our process to safely collect refrigerators and freezers for recycling with our no-contact pickups. Drivers arrive wearing proper protective equipment. At this time, they'll only collect appliances that are in the garage, outbuilding or shed, or on a porch. The unit must be plugged in for the driver to verify that it is working. If your appliance is inside your home, we will not pick up the unit for now, but we'll add you to our waiting list. When it is safe for you and our crews to pick up indoor units, we'll call you to reschedule. When you schedule a pickup, you'll be mailed or emailed a release form which you will need to complete and sign. Place the completed form inside the appliance for driver verification so no contact between you and the driver is needed. Before handling, our drivers spray down the appliance with disinfectant. Drivers then load the appliance onto the truck for recycling and leave without having any face-to-face contact with you. We're currently scheduling safe, no-contact garage and porch pickups. Visit peco.com/recycling or call toll-free at 1-888-573-2672.